What are the next steps after a property tax assessment notice? Imagine opening your mailbox and finding a notice about your property taxes. It might seem overwhelming at first, but knowing what to do next can make the process much easier. When you receive an assessment notice, the first thing to do is read it carefully. Look at the assessed value of your property, which is the number the local assessor has assigned to estimate its worth. Check if any exemptions, like for seniors or veterans, have been applied correctly. The notice will also show the estimated taxes you might owe based on that value. Sometimes, the assessed value can go up from the previous year, so it's good to verify if that increase makes sense. If you believe the assessed value is too high or contains errors, you have options. You can start by contacting the local appraisal district or assessor's office to discuss the assessment informally. Many places allow you to do this within a certain time frame, often 30 days from when you get the notice. During this conversation, you can ask questions and provide evidence if needed. If you still feel the assessment isn't fair, you can file a formal protest or appeal. This usually involves submitting a written form and supporting documents, like recent sales of similar properties or proof of property damage. The protest process often requires you to attend a hearing before a review board or assessment appeals board. At the hearing, you can explain your case in person or sometimes by phone or in writing. If the review board agrees with you, they might lower the assessed value, which could reduce your taxes. If they do not, you still have options. You can appeal further to a state property tax appeal board or even to the courts, depending on your location. If you decide to accept the assessment, it's important to prepare for payment. Property taxes are usually due annually by a specific deadline, which varies by jurisdiction. Paying on time avoids penalties and interest charges. To sum up, after receiving your property tax assessment notice, review it thoroughly, decide whether to accept or challenge it, file a protest if needed within the deadline, gather supporting evidence, attend hearings if required, and pay your taxes by the due date if you accept the assessment or after the appeal process. Understanding these steps and the components of your assessment notice helps you stay in control of your property tax responsibilities.